This is a recording for Follow the Leader. Follow the Leader, which we've done in the 3 days. Let's get started. Usually, Follow the Leader, everybody's standing, but you guys be seated because we are doing the recording part also. Okay. So let's get beginning. Follow the Leader starts like this. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Why the hands are so high? Why? Why? With your hand raises. Yes. Welcome back. Body language. Did you guys notice when I was showing you HMOY? 1%. How many of you want to be happy? More energy, correct? We are raising their energies, correct? Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. We begin our sessions with follow the leader. Follow the leader, follow the leader, follow the leader, follow the leader. Yes. Can I have names of some successful leaders, please? Yes. Name of some successful leader. MS Dhoni, yeah, India is one of the finest captains. Nelson Mandela. Narendra Modi ji, the current Prime Minister of India. Mahatma Gandhi ji. Mahatma Gandhi ji, father of our nation. Yes. Mahatma Gandhi. Mukesh Ambani, yes, again for the this thing for the Reliance Industries. Are these leaders successful? How many of you want to be successful? Say aye. Follow the leader is a simple, easy, and a fast way to become successful, isn't it? It's very, very simple. Sumaji said here, Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi used a very simple principle to bring us independence. What was it? Non-violence, correct? Ahimsa, isn't it? There was another person. He was sitting in a different continent altogether. He saw Mahatma Gandhi having a stick, but doesn't use the stick. And he also had the same challenge. In his country also, Britishers were ruling them. He saw, wow, I can't find it. Britishers with their guns, their weapons and all that. Oh, Mahatma Gandhi is doing it. Thin guy with a stick. Wise guy is using non-violence. Who is this guy I'm talking about? Nelson Mandela. Yeah. What did Nelson Mandela do? Follow the leader. Yes. Mahatma Gandhi is using it. I will use it in my own country. Did he become successful? Yes. He also, what did he become for the country after he got the independence? What did he become? He went on to become the president of the country. Isn't it correct? So did he become successful? So follow this leader is a simple, easy, and a fast way to become successful. To follow the leader activity, I need 2 leaders on the stage now. Come on. 2 leaders. Fast. Can you give them a big round of applause? At this time, I have to the instruction for this thing. At this time, I have to turn off the mics. Okay. But I'm going to keep the mics open, but this is also going to keep going. Mics are open because I'm going to ask them close-ended questions. See, people don't like coming on the stage, especially for dance, they will not come, correct? Isn't it? Yeah, but see how quickly I will trap them into dancing. Got it? Yeah. But what happens? They get a breakthrough, correct? Isn't it? Yes. Congratulations, leaders. Congratulations. First, make them leaders. Congratulations, leader. You took opportunity. The leaders, you want them to follow you? Yes. See the close-ended question. Very smart, no? You want them to follow you? The DJ will play the simple music or keep your moves very, very simple. Don't complicate it. From dance, I moved on to simple steps, correct? You know, very, very simple. We will start with this beautiful lady here. Can you begin with this beautiful lady? Lovely. Before she realized क्या हुआ, मैं तो हो गया. अब तो हो गया. Coach, I can't. I'll help you. Very simple. Got it? They have a breakthrough. Please, Nandan. Yeah. So this is called as follow the leader. Follow the leader has got lots of things. Post lunch. Because what happens is that people will be when I had food, the energy will be much more lower. And also it teaches a wonderful value. Follow the leader. Follow the leader. I showed you guys from T. Harvecker to Robert Kiyosaki. Are they using the same system? Tony Robbins using the same system? Yeah. What have I done? Follow the leader. Clinton uses the same system. All of us. Follow the leader is a simple, easy, and fast way. You inventing the wheel again and again is too much of time, too much of energy. Correct? Isn't it? Ekansha comes up with a new method to open the program. If it works, good. If it doesn't work, again, isn't it? Known, proven formula. John Gray is using it. Les Brown is using it. Correct? Blair Singer teaches it. The world's of the best is using it. Is it brief? Is it clear? Does it leave an impact? Yeah, why not use it? Follow the leader is not just in this template, but anything and everything. There are several examples. Correct? No. Which was the first company which came up with the online cab service through an app? Which was the first company? Fast Track and all followed. Uber. Uber was the first global company. What did Ola do? Followed the leader. Traditionally, in schools, we have been told that don't copy. Correct? But please understand, it does not work like that. You can always follow a leader. Correct, isn't it? Ola is also innovated. Correct? Yeah. Which was the first company which made computers? IBM. Give me some names of companies which are making good computers. Dell, HP, Lenovo, Apple, Asus, Acer. So these companies, are they successful or not? Yes. So follow the leader is a simple, easy, and a fast way to become successful. People who are watching the recording, also at the end, you will find the template. Word by word is scripted. The reason of script is what? How does scripting help? How does scripting help? It's very simple. It's there. Just read it out, finish it. Even the best is the best. Best is the best. Even Amitabh Bachchan does it till this day. Script is written for him. Correct? Yeah, fall. Yes, Amitabh Bachchan is Amitabh Bachchan because of the script. Rajnikant is Rajnikant because of the script. They don't come and get creative. People put in a lot of time. They put every word by word. Even pronunciation, enunciation, pause, stress is all there. All they do is they come and use the same thing. Scripts make work very easy. This is follow the leader. Got it? Follow the leader template.
Hello everybody, my name is Dr. Sachin and I am a life coach. I use games, activities and exercises to teach young champions valuable life skills and study skills which help them become number one in studies and number one in life. Continue to watch our videos, share them, subscribe to our channel and please do comment. It'll help us, it'll inspire us to make more good content like this. Thank you so much for watching our channel. Also do visit our website. Thank you so much.